Hi everyone, it's me again, Carl Wider. So for today's video, pupunta po tayo ngayon ng Hyundai para kumuha ng isang unit. Unit po ito ng aking spiritual family. Magkasawat po sila and una po susunduin is si Ate Mikey. And afterwards, susunduin po si Brother Ezekiel Chester and we'll go to Nakata na po. I'll be back. Medyo sa biyaya. Okay na. Ay, thank you. Hi, Tay. Kumusta? Thank you sa food. Kain na tayo. Alright. Let's get to record. Say hi! Hi ulit, vlog. Hi ulit, vlog. It's me again. So we're here at Hyundai Makapagkal, Manila Bay, and I'm with Brother Ezekiel Chester with Ate Mikey, his wife. Alright, kukunin na po namin yung unit nila, Hyundai Stargazer. Magbibigay din tayo ng review. Bye!
Alright, we're at Hyundai Manila Bay. So for today's video, we're gonna get the Hyundai Stargazer. Alright, we're here at Hyundai Manila Bay. Hi ma'am, what's your name? Miss Jovi. Siya po yung agent ni Brother Ezekiel Chester and ni Ate Mikey. Yeah. Ma'am Cheryl. So sa mga gusto pong kumuha ng unit, napaka-accommodating po ni Ma'am Jovi and with Ma'am Cheryl. Hi!